Good day, my YouTube family. I hope that everyone is well today. Today I would like to share a quick video, and I mean quick, on how I make my own color enhancing, color depositing conditioner. I relaxed my hair and applied some color. Well, I'm going to relax my hair and apply color right after the relaxer. And this is how I'm going to keep my color fresh. This conditioner is my mix that I mix with different conditioners, but this, I always use this Motions as a base. And I have two jet black semi-permanent colors. One of them is Kiss Colors, Titanium, and then Adore. They're both jet black. I'm actually going to mix two of them because one of them is kind of thick. You can't hear it when you shake it, and this one is more liquidy. I really like the thick one, but I like what this one has to offer. This one has no ammonia. They're both no ammonia, no peroxide. This one has no sulfates, and it's also enriched with, if you can see that, argan oil, olive oil, and keratin and collagen. I like those ingredients for my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the mix. These craft sticks, they come from Dollar Tree. And this is what I use to mix things with. I mix so many things. Craft sticks. This one has a little coat protective thingy on it. Let me take that off. And this one just has a top you twist. So this is the thicker one. See how it won't even hardly come out the jar? Look at that. Until you give it a squeeze. I like that. But this is how you can keep your color fresh afterwards. I don't use permanent hair dye all over my hair. I do use Beijing on my grays only. But every now and then I do like to put a color rinse on my hair. And it's a great time to do it right after a relaxer. It just seems like it takes away. And I haven't done it in so long, but I need to. And not only that, after you do apply your color, look how this one just runs out of water. After you apply a color rinse, if you want to keep your color longer, because it's temporary, it doesn't last that long, only for a few washes, but you can make it last longer by enhancing it with some, enhancing your conditioner. You don't have to do a whole color rinse all the time. And not just for temporary color, semi-permanent colors, you can also make your own color enhancing conditioner. If you dye your hair, they have so many different colors. If you dye your hair permanent. So I'm using one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other one. But I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have to get like a plastic spoon because this is not deep enough. But look at this, how it already stained the craft stick. So you can tell that it's going to be great, you know, to keep your color fresh in your hair. And I'm going to go ahead and just use this. If I mess it up or stain it, I can buy another one from the Dollar Tree, I'm sure. And I spin it like that because I'm using one hand. But anyway, I know that you get the idea. But you can make your own color depositing, color enhancing conditioner. So here we go, guys. It's all mixed up. And that's how you can keep your color fresh, believe it or not. And look, see how it's kind of staining my thumb? So it's gonna work out well. The little stains on my hand a little bit. But I would like to thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have yourself a beautiful day.